Hello guys, I'm Founder from PinFlow and here it is another video. It is for Ads Profit Calculator. And here you got one from budget to profit and another is from profit to budget calculation. And here multiple benchmark has been populated. Like you don't have to know about CPC or average. Order value. These are default values. For example, for e-commerce, CPC has been taken as 0.7. This is the lowest value, but you can also change it using these sliders. And for B2B SaaS, it is 1.92. Similarly, other values have been pre-populated, or you can adjust it. And one more thing is that you can change these values in real time and you will see the result here. Let's say it is showing that you are losing $600 per month. For that, you have to increase its AOV. Average order value, I will increase that. You see the values are getting adjusted in real time. You don't have to hit the submit button. And what these terms mean, everything is given in these tooltips. And similarly, there is a profit to budget calculator. Let's say you want to aim for $2,000 monthly profit. And for that, you can simply check these conversion rates. CPC and everything can be calculated. And all the formulas being used in this tool are given here. That's all. And this is the tool I am working on. It allows you to create Pinterest pins based on your Shopify product images. And the beauty of it is that from 50 products, you can create hundreds of bids. And each will have different templates and brand color applied. And you can also target multiple languages. And it creates time schedules which are randomized and doesn't sound like a bot. Basically, you will be spending like 1 hour to create months of pins. That's all. Thank you.